You're rolling now.
I'm rolling, all right. I have to record everything for posterity. This one's called
Yeah, but I don't have.
Reality, and it's very tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock rhythm to it, okay?
You got it.
So, here we go. One day that's going to be part of a whole Broadway show. Just mark my words. So this next song, "Where You Found Me," is a song that was actually started by a guy who's not here, Wade, in my backyard. And Joanne had a piece of it, and Mike had a piece of it, and actually Kevin had a piece of it, but he doesn't want it, so I took his name off of it. And River had a piece of it, so when I actually get this thing copyrighted, these people will have their names on the copyright. And if you ever get paid for it, you guys will get a piece of the action as well. Checks. Check. So there you go. So this is called "Where You Find Me." All right, here we go. Peace with liberty, that's where you'll find me. All right. And so for my last trick, Tuesday is what?
St. Patrick's Day.
There you go. So what are we gonna say?
This Tuesday?
This Tuesday.
Yeah, come on.
Tuesday's
15th.
coming.
Tuesday, yeah.
Okay.
Which, by the way, there's no ABB open mic Tuesday.
Happy St. Patrick's Day in advance.
Parade's in White Plains tomorrow. It's a parade. White Plains.
All right. So we'll sing my St. Patrick's Day song.
Yeah.
The St. Patrick's Day Lullaby. I would tell everybody that I'm 3% Irish, but then Joanne's going to start clapping and I'm going to have to remind her how that got there. But that's a whole different conversation.
Okay, I won't clap.
It was a happy St. Patrick's Day. I was going to celebrate. I stopped in the church to pray when a young lassie passed my way. Her eyes were both green and blue. Her face was a dream come true, and her smile was so radiant fair. It was framed by her thick red hair. Oh, on a happy St. Patrick's Day. When the eagle was Then I asked her what was her name, and she said it was Mary Jane. I asked if I could walk her home. She said I'd kiss the morning sun. As she walked along by my side, a bright teardrop fell from my eye. It was salty and yet was sweet, and it tasted like peace to me. Oh, and the evil was chased away. Oh, and I knew that my heart was safe. Oh, on a happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, and the evil was chased away. Oh, and I knew that my heart was safe. Oh, on a happy St. Patrick's Day. Thanks, everybody.
Let's hear it for Melanie and friends. We have Jake.
Melanieascott.
And let's
Everybody's there.
stop this.